Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to do subtotal in your Microsoft Excel worksheet document. So let's take a look how to do that. Here is an example worksheet document, and here you can see there is a particular Google amount, 3 YouTube amount, WhatsApp, Facebook amount, and I would like to find out subtotal and then the grand total. How you can do that? It's really easy and simple. Simply select all this column and then click on data, and the right side corner you will see subtotal. Simply click over there and then you will find out subtotal option will appear. Here you have to choose to each change in. You can choose whatever you would like. So I'm going to choose a name and then use function, whatever you would like to do, like sum or count or average or mix. So I'm going to choose it sum, and then here add subtotal to in amount. So simply I'm going to click OK, and then you will see by magically Excel will do for me subtotal for each items. See, here is a Google subtotal, here is YouTube subtotal, here is WhatsApp subtotal, here is Facebook subtotal, and here finally you will see the grand total. Also you can minimize all these like without you don't need, maybe you don't want this all, you just need only total figure. Simply just click here in the left side corner, this one, click here minus, and you will see the total Google, YouTube, WhatsApp, Facebook, and the grand total. Also if you want to expand it, again you can click here plus. So this is how you can subtotal in your Excel worksheet document. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.